For me, the best part is being able to come up with many different designs to do the tasks involved with this kind of competition.
Did you say open the door? Yes. Yes. Did you say release her or be good?
Opening the door of control resistant frame.
Very complete list. Alright, what's listening?
The best part was definitely meeting new people, people interested in similar things that I'm interested in, underwater robots and all that, and just having a chance to use some of the skills I used before in Naval Arc, but this time they were practical, using them for stability of the ROV.
First is all these boxes over here.
Everybody's more experienced, so we actually knew what we were doing most of the time. We didn't require as much direction from our mentors. So we came in every day and everybody knew what they had to do. We got down to the tasks and we got done a lot sooner so that we weren't panicking at the last minute trying to get everything done.
Best part about this is the ability to learn and use new skills that I normally don't have a chance to, I don't have the opportunity to use.
Doing engineering at Memorial, I wasn't quite sure if the engineering field was right for me, but after helping out and contributing to the robotics team, I know for sure that this is what I want to do, this is the field that I want to be in for life. Yeah, and then I love meeting new people, and the guys here are great. Dwight definitely kicks it in gear.
And then
Sure, the best part about being part of the ROV team was getting up really early on Saturday mornings, coming all the way out to Mount Pearl.
This year the team was definitely more close-knit, like we had more tasks to do, so I mean everyone had their own part to do, and I liked it. I liked the small group just because we knew everyone and we
You will get points for part of the mission, but if you want to keep it up like that.
Oh, you can't.
The experience of coming to a place every weekend and having time to build something and take part in a competition where you represent your province.
Good afternoon. My name is Renee Hodder and I'm with the Project Management Division of Eastern Edge Robotics. We're a team comprised of 18 individuals from various post-secondary institutions throughout Newfoundland and Labrador, including Memorial University, the Marine Institute, and the College of the North Atlantic.
The key to success in any team is organization. This year, our team management created 2 charts, one which organized our team and another which organized our tasks. The first,
to complete our task this year, we decided to use a single dual-headed tool to complete all the tasks. We went with a single tool to make our design more compact, to use less material, and for ease of control.
Thank you. Well, when it came to the designing, we started putting everything in AutoCAD, and that let us arrange everything very easily without needing to physically put things together. And we actually went through several designs, moving things around until...
Opelio's eyes consist of 3 cameras. They are low light, high quality, and they're board cameras. One of them is on top of the can, facing upwards to locate the base station and for tether management. The other 2 are attached to servos which can rotate at 120 degrees.
Our programming and control system for Opelio is run off a notebook PC, and the programming language we chose to use is C#. As you can see from the screen, our main operational window displays emission time in the top right-hand corner, along with other relevant information concerning the status.
These sensors include internal humidity, internal and external temperature, an accelerometer for pitch and roll, as well as a depth sensor. The readings that we get for the pitch and roll on the accelerometer are displayed on an artificial horizon image, although these are not controllable degrees of freedom. The depth sensor has...
Alright, so the electronics in Opelio can actually be separated into 4 separate units. We have the submarine electronics can, the tether, the topsides electronics unit, and the power supply. The submarine electronics can houses 6 pulse width modulators. These are used for controlling the 6 thrusters.
I've been the pilot for the Eastern Edge Robotics team for 4 years now, and during my time I've come to realize 3 main aspects of being a pilot. The first of which is to always know where your tether is, because if you don't, then it could get tangled up in various obstacles, and if worse comes to worse, it could pull out the tether.
Since the first day of construction, the Eastern Edge Robotics team had a high priority in safety in the workshop and around the ROV. Each member of the team was oriented and instructed on the proper use of the power tools in the workshop. We also have guidelines in place which prohibit the...
There are 2 main challenges that our team faced this year. The first one was dealing with the time that it takes for supplies to arrive at our workshop, and the second one was the challenge of financing a project such as this. So living on an island in the North Atlantic, it takes a long time for the supplies that we have ordered to reach our workshop. So project management was really important in ensuring that we were...
They all work screw here that open and close that grabber. And it opens and closes that other thing as well. There's a pin arrangement, so you hang your box on the pin, and when you
And
Close this, it opens that.
to operate the
Who did the best job on that computer presentation?
Pete. Oh yeah.
What a job.
I know, I almost gave him credit for it.
Here it is.
Tether laid out?
Check.
Free of kink?
Check.
Tether manager ready?
Check.
Power, ROV stable.
Check.
All hands clear.
Check.
Power on.
Check.
Control voltage to 12 volts.
Check.
Thruster voltage to 12 volts.
Check.
24 volts.
Oh my. I'm like, alright. It goes down.
Oh, did they? Yeah, they got on the spreadsheet on the big old screen up front.
Part of this experience this year is just meeting all the different people from the various post-secondary locations around the city and utilizing their skills to bring this project to the best that it can be.
Do you have any advice for the future generation of ROVs, builders?
Get out there and get involved.
So we call the fence at a special.
Yeah, I can't decide between chocolate and vanilla. I'm going to have a squirrel instead.
And that award goes to Eastern Edge Robotics.
And the winner is, and this shouldn't be a surprise, Eastern Edge Robotics.
It gives me really great pleasure to be able to announce at the end of one year's competition the location for the next. We will be heading to the Great White North. We'll be moving on to the Marine Institute of Memorial University at St. John's, Newfoundland. There you go.
The best part about being on this team is meeting all these great people and made some new friends for life.
Meeting lots of good people and traveling.
God.
You don't want to come with me. You don't ever want to come with me. You know that.